Substitution in the context of managing our resources for a sustainable future, looking specifically at the requirements for the transition to a carbon-neutral society. This is where Europe is trying to take the global lead. Our ability to develop clean energy and mobility solutions in an economically and environmentally sustainable way depends also on the availability of strategic metals or raw materials in general. Substitution includes advanced materials, new processes, and entirely new functionalities and products. So let's start by triggering your imagination for a moment. What are we looking at here? You might say that is a fever profile of a very ill patient, and he would not be too far off. What we in fact have here is a complete minute-by-minute solar irradiation profile over an entire year, and that is at the surface of Colorado. It shows us one of the central challenges. Renewable energies are discontinuous. So the question is, how can we make out of the solar resource, which is fundamentally intermittent, a steady and reliable source of electricity? Wind, water, sun are intermittent and have strong geographic, seasonal and daily variations. The energy transition is a material transition. This is one of our central messages. We face material, technology and infrastructure challenges to facilitate efficient energy conversion, energy storage and energy transport. That also implicates that we see a rapid deployment of strategic metals in energy and related technologies. As a consequence, the material intensity in the great transformation to a carbon-neutral society is growing quickly. Which mitigation strategies can we employ to improve the resource basis for the great transformation? What options do we have to absorb and balance the quickly increasing mineral intensity and metal input required for the low-carbon technologies we need to develop? First, we need to diversify primary mining and make it sustainable. Material science advances can enable the reduction of the utilization of critical materials, which is the concept of concentrating an element in the material or in the microstructure where it is needed most, and we avoid diluting the element in the entire volume homogeneously. Recycling, as said, will make use of the technosphere. The question is, can we keep things in the loop and can we develop a circular economy? And then, can we substitute strategic metals by more earth-abundant elements? The substitution from material science, material physics or material chemistry perspective is actually the most challenging and the most rewarding one.